This yellow work of art, the G scale, 177,
Oh my god.
Denver and Rio Grand
Quit booting people.
Western. First, let's get started on some of the stuff it can do with just There's Trevor. Okay, there's Colin. He's gonna be our train runner, and there's Anna, his girlfriend. And there's Allie.
And the mooner.
There's Allie, Trevor's brother. All right.
Sister.
No, I mean brother.
Okay, no more popsicles. You have to ask an adult.
And there's my annoying mom.
No, Colin, Mom said you can't have any.
There's my annoying mom.
Jack,
What? What?
that's disrespectful.
All right. We're kind of doing a review on the G scale right now.
I'm gonna watch it happen.
Okay, first let's get started on the front. Yeah, you can use this.
Kevin?
It barely moves though. You can
Kevin?
move that for some reason, just for realistic stuff. Now, twist to open this. You twist that. You open, and there's the smoke settings. Let's see. If you can see it on the video, it says off, on, and this kind of broke, and it's the direction settings, large scale, and tells what stuff. It's nice work, and this is the light right here. Yes, it lights up if you know stuff like that. And for some reason, the smokestack comes off, and you can just drop smoke. Drop smoke liquid in there. Smoke fluid. And the bell actually rings.
Here, look.
Why the heck did you just show me that? That's kind of disturbing. You're like. Oh, my mistake. That's not broken. I'm sorry. I'm kind of an idiot myself, as you can see. And this is on Allie's phone. You better post this on YouTube, or I'll sue you for all I've got. Okay. Let's get started on down here. Wheels. This is it. 4, 3, 6. My mistake. There can't be an odd number. 4, 6. And there's the tender. The tender is really cool. And for some other reason, that opens. I don't know. You can see inside the motor. You can see that thing right there? This thing. You can see
Making
it.
a lot of noise.
And someone is crying, our driver.
Allie, why'd you do that?
I didn't. I just said be quiet.
Now you may know this family from this Trevor Maston and Allie. Stop the train!
No.
Just stop. We gotta save that. And what the heck did you do to the track?
Shooting the wall.
You gonna bite me or something?
Jim, get away.
I am.
No. Hang on, I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. You're gonna see black. So, you can probably still hear us. Technical difficulties. Putting the track in some retard. That was you? That was you?
Yes!
Okay! Okay. Now, Colin, shut that train up! Right now, it's a toy. There's the dumb toy. Now let's run the awesome. Everyone shut up. Let's run the awesome slowly. And there's something wrong with it. It's making that weird noise all the time. It's pretty old, so my grandpa may have to look at this. And yes, this is my grandpa's. And you may know the Maston family. And I'm kind of their cousin, their awesome turtle catching cousin. So if they ever post this video on YouTube, you'll get the message. What did you do, Colin?
Stop the video. Leave a hand.
Colin?
Stop it.
Don't make me do that, Colin!